This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. Fabulous beachfront location. Live like you are on vacation year-round. This 2-unit no-fee condo is a one-owner home, loaded with TLC and has been beautifully updated. Great floor plan, west/first floor bedroom and utility room with access to one-car garage. Living room, dining room and kitchen are located on the second level, offering panoramic beach/water views. Master and third bedroom located on third level offer more amazing views. Spacious master retreat west/deep walk-in closet and bath west/whirlpool tub and ceramic shower west/frameless glass door. Updated eat-in kitchen with maple cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances, convection oven, micro. New siding in 2014 west/lifetime warranty. New French doors throughout 2014, 10-year-old architectural roof, hurricane shutters on all windows and doors. New paver patio 2020. Multi-level decks with built-in planters and benches. 2 tankless hot water heaters. For more information, review the details below.